You ever feel more tired than your life should make you? Objectively, your life doesn't look that exhausting, you're not doing more than others, the demands seem manageable, yet the tiredness feels heavier than it should, disproportionate and stubborn. It's like you're running a marathon without even leaving the couch. You look at your day and it seems manageable. Nothing too crazy, but that exhaustion, it lingers like a shadow you can't shake off. The answer isn't in your schedule, it's in what your inner machine has been running alongside it. What's happening is that your mind is running all these hidden programs, monitoring, managing, and maintaining. You're not just dealing with your tasks, you're also juggling the weight of unexpressed emotions, self-criticism, and the constant need to keep up appearances. None of this shows up on your to-do list. You wouldn't mention it if asked what you did today, but it's been running the whole time, quietly draining the same limited energy. This invisible energy drain is what makes you feel depleted. And then, on top of that, you start beating yourself up for being tired, thinking you should be tougher. That just adds another layer of exhaustion. This is the hidden cost, the gap between how your life looks from the outside and how it feels from the inside. But here's the thing, recognising this tiredness for what it really is, an honest reflection of how much your mind is working, can change everything. Gurdjieff saw it clearly. The machine spends enormous energy just maintaining itself, keeping programs running, scanning for threats to old patterns, and managing the face it shows the world. Most of this cost is invisible. It's not about pushing harder or adjusting your schedule. It's about understanding what's really draining you and starting to peel back those layers. That's why the tiredness feels disproportionate. The visible life doesn't account for the invisible maintenance. Spinoza described joy as an increase in what the body and mind can do. These programs create the opposite, a real sustained reduction in your capacity. The exhaustion is your body's honest signal of that diminishment. The tiredness triggers a second layer, self-criticism. You decide something's wrong with you, that you're less resilient or capable than others. This judgment becomes another draining program, adding cost on top of the first. Naming the tiredness accurately removes that second layer. It's not evidence of your failure, it's the machine's honest report of what these unseen programs have been costing. When you name it clearly, you stop fighting it with willpower, schedule changes, or harsh self-judgment. Instead you ask, which programs, which patterns have been draining the most? That honest question gives you the precise information needed to change things. Gradually, but accurately. That's where the real change begins. This practice isn't about becoming better, it's about becoming more accurate. And greater accuracy with your exhaustion already begins to lower its cost. If this describes what you're living with, the deconstruction practice is designed for exactly this. I offer a free 30-minute introductory session. Book it here.